I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
What's up, fellas? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My room is a mess and I didn't clean it because this is a very spontaneous video. I really want to cut my hair. So, and I know that filming it and like having some content from it will actually make me do it. So yeah, I really want to cut bangs. And will I probably regret it afterward? Yeah, probably. So like, Maddie, why are you gonna do it then? You know, I'm just really bored with my hair. I've had blonde hair for about a year now. It's been this length for about a year. And, you know, I just need something to spice it up a little bit. So I thought maybe if I gave myself bangs, I would feel like more cool and edgy, you know? So, yeah. But also, like, if I give myself bangs, there's no going back. Like, I have to wait a whole year for them to grow out. So I'm really stressed and I'm trying to talk myself through it. Like, it's just hair, Maddie. It'll grow back, right? It'll grow back. If I don't like it, I can always just pin it back, right? What if I look like ugly with bangs? Like, okay, hear me out. Like, I like put fake bangs on myself. There is this app I used and I put fake bangs on myself and it looked fine. But I'm just like, do I look better with this hair or with like bangs? Like, what would fit my aesthetic better? You know what I'm saying? Ah, dang it. Okay, hold on. Well, this is it. I did it, guys. I cut my bangs. I think they look great. I definitely don't look like, I don't know what I look like. Just kidding, these are fake. I got these when I was like 10 in New York and I thought they were the coolest things ever and they look awful. Like, why would anyone wear this? This is like way too much bang. But I'm like, maybe if I cut these the way I want my bangs and then put them on, I can like, that looks literally horrid. Why did I think that this looks good? Like, if I looked like this, I would die. I would just die. I would look in the mirror and I would just implode, really, truly. Okay, so I guess we'll just cut these first and see if we can get them the way I want them. Maybe if I like take it off the headband, I can like, because I don't want a full forehead. I want like, you know, PC, like choppy bangs, right? Like what, you know. So I ripped off the bang part. Oh my god. Okay. I guess now we need to go into the bathroom because I don't want to get hair all over my floor. Okay, I'm just gonna like lay out a trash bag and like cut these over the trash bag. This is literally so much hair. Who would want this on their forehead? Like, no. Sorry if your bangs look like that, but you know what? I'm really sorry for you if your bangs look like that. For you. I'm sorry for you. I'm not sorry that I just offended you. I'm sorry that your bangs look like that because that's literally awful. That's so mean. I'm just kidding. You can do whatever you want with your hair or yourself as long as it makes you happy. That's great. Can you even see what I'm doing? Probably not. Ew, that's so gross. What the heck? I don't know what to do now. Do I just like do this to make them choppier? I feel like I'm like cutting a tiny head. This is still too much bang. It looks horrible. Maybe it doesn't look like that bad. Do I look cooler and edgier? Tell me I look cooler and edgier. Imbeciles. What if I put this in a visible area where my mom could see it, then when she comes home she'll like scream and like go looking for me, but then I'll just have like a full head of hair and she'll be really confused because like I guarantee she like will not think, oh, Mattie is cutting the bangs that she bought in New York when she was 10 years old. That would be really funny. Wait, I should do that and film it. Oh my gosh, pranks. Pranks with Mattie. I'm gonna be a prank channel now. Bang, bang. Bang, but bang, bang. If I cut my hair, my caption on Instagram for the picture is gonna be Q Bang Bang by Iggy Azalea. Is that what the song is called? Well, even if it isn't, that's gonna be my caption.
Hi, Future Mattie here. I'm just covering up my forehead so you don't see the final product of this video, because then you'll stop watching. Will I cut my bangs? Will I not? The world may never know. But I did look up this song. Oh my gosh, boobies. Boobies. I did look up this song. Why am I literally a 7th grade boy? And it's actually by Jessie J, not Iggy Azalea, so I would like to apologize for my ignorance and stupidity. Okay, bye.
Do I even want to do this? This is gonna be worth it. Oh my gosh, am I gonna do this? Like, am I really gonna do this? Am I really gonna do this? Okay, wait. So you're supposed to like draw a little triangle. I don't know how this works. I'm scared. I think it'll look okay. Like, do you think it'll look okay? Comment below if you think it'll look okay, and then whatever the comments say, that's what I'll do. Just kidding. If I do it, it's gonna be posted, and if I don't do this, it's not gonna be posted. This better make me famous. This video better like get me subscribers. That's the only reason I'm cutting my bangs, honestly, is for views and for clout. So if you don't subscribe to me, that's really rude, okay? That's like just not cool. And I'm ruining my hair for no reason then. I'm just kidding. Kind of. Like, I'm not just doing this for subscribers, but like, please subscribe to my channel. Oh my gosh. How many times do I have to ask you? Literally before it happens. Like, it just, really rude. I just like asked you so many times and you don't even like, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay. I think it'll look fine, right? Oh yeah, I think it'll look cute. It'll look cute or will it look dumb? Oh my gosh, okay. People are gonna click off this video if I don't just like cut my hair. Like, it'll look cute, right? Will that look cute? Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough hair. I'm so scared. Okay. Let's be spontaneous. Let's just be spontaneous. Okay. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna cry. Will I like it? Will I regret this? Oh my god, I'm like shaking. Like, I'm shaking right now. I'm shaking. It's been 20 minutes. It's literally been 20 minutes. How do I do this? Literally just do it, Mattie. Just cut it. Just cut it. Just cut it. Just cut it. Just cut your hair. Just cut it. It's just hair. Okay, it'll grow back. Like, did you see this? Like, this is so ridiculous. Why am I like, why can't I just cut my hair? I care way too much about what I look like. That's like the problem. Like, I care way too much about what I look like, and that's why I'm scared to cut my hair, because I'm like, oh, what if I look bad? Okay, here we go. I just have to make sure it's perfect. Oh my gosh. Gosh, what the heck? Oh my god, I did it. I cannot believe I just did that. What? What the heck? I just cut my hair. Oh my god. It looks cute. That was so scary. It doesn't look bad. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just did that. I'm shaking. Oh my gosh. Dude, what? I cannot believe I just I literally wasn't gonna cut it. Like, and then I was just like, maybe if I film a video, I'll like actually cut it, and then I did. It like looks good. I thought it was gonna look like really bad. Oh my gosh, I have bangs. What? Okay. Oh my gosh, okay, I can't believe I just did that. Okay, I'm gonna go get my mom's reaction. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just cut my hair. This is not real. I feel like I'm in a dream. Like, I feel like I actually didn't do that. Does it fit my aesthetic? I don't even know. Okay, we're gonna go show my mom. I'm so scared. show my mom now. Hey, Mom.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Mom, I need to show you something.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Did you do that yourself?
What? What do you think?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
I think it looks good.
She cut herself bangs.
Why don't you like it?
I just don't, but whatever.
My mom doesn't like my bangs. Yes? Yes, come in.
Let me see.
What? What?
I don't know.
Why don't you know? And my dad said, eh. I think it looks okay. Well, now I'm sad because my parents don't like my bangs. All right, well, whatever. It is what it is. It's done. It's done. I'm a free woman. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you like me, you should subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Sunday. I love you so much. Thank you for watching this.